BL and CM are medians. BL and CM are medians. BL and CM are medians of triangle ABC. BL and CM are medians of triangles ABC right angled at A. That means angle A is 90 degrees, right angled at angle A. Right angled at angle A. Prove that 4 times BL square plus CM square. BL square plus CM square equals to BL square 5 times BC square equals to 5 times BC square. Okay. Now please understand this, then copy. I'll give you time to copy. Step by step understand, फिर copy करेंगे, फिर आगे बढ़ेंगे. Okay. पहले तो ये दिया है BL and CM are medians. ठीक है. Now let's look at triangle ABC. Triangle ABC, angle A is 90 degrees. So BC square equals to AB square plus AC square. BC square equals to AB square plus AC square. Similarly, when I take a triangle ALB or ABL, BL square equals to AL square plus AB square. Okay, that is what we are going to do. So that's how we are going to proceed further. Then in place of BL, in place of AL, I am going to write half of AC. In place of AL, I am going to write half of AC because it is a median. And then we are going to proceed. So let's see that. Okay. In triangle ABC, angle A equals to 90 degrees. BL and CM are medians. This is what is given to us. Based on this, we are going to proceed. So in triangle ABC, angle A equals to 90 degrees. Therefore, BC square equals to AB square plus AC square by Pythagoras theorem. I'll call this equation number 1. Then I'll say in triangle ABL, I'll have BL square equals to AB square plus AL square, again by Pythagoras theorem. But this I'm not going to call 2. In place of AL, I'm going to take half of AC. So BL square equals to AB square plus AC upon 2 the whole square, since L is the midpoint of AC. L is the midpoint, L being the midpoint of AC. Since L is the midpoint of AC, this is what it is. Expand this or open this, so I'll get BL square equals, so I'll write this ahead, AC square upon 4 plus AB square. AC square, because this, when I expand this, AC becomes AC square, 2 becomes 4. Okay. Bring this 4 this side, or when I take LCM, multiply throughout by 4, I'll get 4 BL square equals to AC square plus 4 AB square. Call this equation number 2. Please copy till here. Then we'll proceed further. पहले यहाँ तक आप copy कर लो. Okay. 4 BL square equals to AC square plus 4 AB square. यहाँ तक copy कर लो. हो जाए तो बताना. Then we'll proceed further. 4BL square equals to AC square plus 4AB square. यहाँ तक हो गया तो बताना, then I'll proceed further. In place of AM, I'll write half AB. So in triangle CMA, CM square equals to AM plus AC square equals to AB upon 2 the whole square plus AC square, which is AB upon 4, AB square upon 4 plus AC square. This is CM square. Further, when I expand this, this will become 4 CM square equals to AB square plus 4 AC square. Call this 3. 4 CM square equals to 4 AC square plus AB square. Okay, and then after that, all I'm going to do is I'm going to add 3 and 4, 2 and 3. I'm going to add 2 and 3. So when I add 2 and 3, okay, when I add 2 and 3, adding 2 and 3, what is 2? 2 is 4 BL square plus 3 is 4 CM square equals to what is this? AC square plus 4 AB square, and this is plus AB square plus 4 AC square, which is nothing but 5 AB square plus 5 AC square. 1 AC plus 4 AC, 4 AB plus 1 AB. This is what it is. From this, I can say equals to 5 into bracket AB square plus AC square. AB square plus AC square, that is 4 into bracket BL plus 4, 4 तो बाहर चला गया, 4 BL square plus CM square, 4 BL square plus CM square is 5 times this. So 4 BL square plus CM square equals to 5. But AB square plus AC square is nothing but BC square, that is from 1, equals to 5 BC square from 1. Now copy this. Okay, that is how we get it. 4 BL square plus CM square equals to 5 BC square. 5 BC the whole square. Let me know once we have done. Done, all of you? Okay. Draw this diagram. It says O is any point inside rectangle ABCD. Any point. O is any point. O is any point inside rectangle ABCD. O is any point inside rectangle ABCD. O is any point inside rectangle ABCD, and we have to prove that. OB square plus OD square, OB square plus OD square, OB square plus OD square equals to OB square plus OD square equals to OA square plus OC square, OA square plus OC square. Then there is a construction in this. Through O, draw P, through O, draw PQ parallel to BC. Through O, draw PQ parallel to BC. Okay. So that P lies on AB and Q lies on DC. So that P lies on AB, and Q on DC. Okay. चलो यहाँ तक करो कॉपी, फिर अपन इसको प्रूव करेंगे. Okay. Till here, any doubts? Question कर लिए copy? Now we are going to have in this actually triangle BPQ. Actually, we are going to have two rectangles in this. APQD, APQD and BPQC. Both are going to be rectangles. Both are going to be rectangles only in this. Okay. And we are going to say in triangle OPB. See, this line PQ is parallel to BC. So whatever is this angle, the same is going to be this angle. Okay. So this is also 90 degrees. Now this is 90 degrees. Therefore, this is a right angle triangle. So OB square equals to OP square plus PB square. OP square plus PB square. That is what we are going to say. Then we are going to show the same triangle over here. We are going to say OC square equals to OQ square plus QC square. Okay. So we'll go there systematically. यहाँ तक हो गया, उसके बाद एक एक करेंगे. Anybody has any doubts till here? Okay. So let's see how to go about this now. इसमें भी काफी सारी जगह लगेगी, so you'll have to keep on writing and I'll keep on erasing after that. PQ is parallel to PC. Therefore, PQ is parallel to AB and PQ is parallel to, perpendicular to DC. PQ is, therefore, PQ is perpendicular to AB and PQ is perpendicular to CD. Okay, that is angle B and angle C are 90 degrees also. Okay, angle B, this is 90 degrees. This is also 90 degrees because it is a rectangle. It is a rectangle. Therefore, we have angle BP, not Q. BPQ or BPO, whatever you can say. BPQ equals to 90 degrees and angle CQP or CQO also equals to 90 degrees. Okay. Therefore, quadrilateral BPO PQC and quadrilateral APQD are both rectangles. Now, from triangle OPB, okay, this is 90 degrees, so this will be the hypotenuse. OB square equals to PB square plus OP square. This will be by Pythagoras. Call this equation number 1. OB square equals to PB square plus OP square. Now look at triangle OQD. This one, OQD, this triangle. Again, this is 90 degrees. So this square, so I'll say in triangle OQD, OD square equals to OQ square plus DQ square. Again, by Pythagoras, and I'll call this equation number 2. Copy till here. इसमें कुछ नहीं समझा तो पूछो, then I'll proceed further. Till here, if anything you have not understood, please ask. Copy till here, then we'll proceed further. Done till here? हो गया आप लोगों का यहाँ तक? मैंने सिर्फ ये 2 वापस लिखा हूँ because I'm going to use this. I need to erase this so that we have more space to continue further. किसी का भी हो गया तो बता देना प्लीज. अहद, रिजा, रिजा डन बेटा? Okay, so I've written this over here. ये जो भी थे equations. Okay, now let's look at the third triangle. 2 triangle हमने देख लिया, उसमें से ये 2 equation में. Now look at OQD. Sorry, OQD किया, OQC. ये वाला triangle OQC. In triangle OQC. Now here what we are going to get is OC square in triangle OQC, I'll have OC square equals to OQ square plus QC square. By Pythagoras, I'll call this 3. OC square equals to OQ square plus CQ square or QC square. Okay, and then this triangle AOP in the other triangle, in triangle AOP. Again, P is 90 degrees, so AO or OA square equals to AP square plus OP square. Again, by Pythagoras, this is equation number 4. Okay, this is equation number 4. Add the first two. Let's add first two. Adding 1 and 2. So I'll have OB square plus OD square. ये दो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड तो मिल गया, equals to PB square plus OP square plus OQ square plus DQ square. This is what it says. Okay, it is PB square plus OP square plus OQ square plus DQ square. Till you clear? Okay, but BP is the same as QC. BP is the same as QC because this is a rectangle. Okay, so this is equals to QC square plus OP. I leave as OP only for the moment. OQ I leave as OQ only at the moment. DQ I leave as, since this is CQ, I leave it as plus DQ square. OC square. Okay, sorry, DQ की जगह पर I want नहीं, DQ की जगह पर I'll write AP because whether it is DQ or whether it is AP, the reason I'll write over here is, the reason is since PB equals to QC and AP equals to DQ. Okay, since this is there, therefore like this. इतना तो हो गया. Now let's move further. This becomes OC square, or sorry, CQ square. QC I'm writing it as CQ square. We'll write it as QC only. QC square plus, I'm just rearranging this, QC square plus, I'll write this OQ over here, plus OQ square plus AP square, इसको आगे ले लिया और ये वाले को last, plus OP square. Now you'll see this and this 3 and 4. OQ square plus QC square plus OQ square is nothing but equals to OC square, and AP square plus OP square is nothing but OA square from 3 and 4. Therefore, OB square plus OD square equals to OA square plus OC square. Okay, this is what we have to, this is what it is. Exercise 6.5 भी करना है और optional है वो भी करना है 6.6. Any doubts, difficulties, queries, we will solve it next time. Let me know. Otherwise, we will proceed to whatever is being done in your schools if that has not been done by us, or if we are not, if we are ahead of the school, then we'll start with AP. Otherwise, we will do whatever is being done in the schools. So far, we have completed 5 chapters from maths. Okay. Once we finished one more chapter, whether it is whatever is being done in your school or whether it is AP, after that, as I said, we'll do couple of chapters from chemistry, then we'll come back to maths. ठीक है? किसी को कोई doubts, queries, question है तो अभी पूछ लो. Otherwise, we can wind it up. Of course, you have to copy this. भी कुछ भी doubts, queries, questions, please पूछ लो. And as you can see at the top, there are only 259 days approximately for your board exams. So you need to now take things more seriously. It's much less than a year. 365 से 259, 100 plus days चले गए हैं, है ना? 365 days रहते हैं साल में, 265 भी नहीं है. More than 100 days have gone. So you're just left with 259 days for your board exams. Huh? Please take it seriously now. Please do all the exercises that I'm asking you all to do at home. Don't take it lightly. बाद में करेंगे नहीं होगा. जो करना है अभी करना है. बाद में कोई time नहीं रहता है. So please do it seriously. Please do it now. Doubts, difficulties, queries अभी पूछो. Don't keep it pending. बाद में करेंगे, बाद में पूछेंगे, होता नहीं है. जो होता है वो अभी होता है. Okay? There is no better time than today. Whatever you need to do, please do it today. So if there is no doubts, we'll wind up there. Okay? Chalo, take care then. All the best. Bye.